Stylish and functional. Exactly what we want in a purse. Everyone who's going to a smart function all dressed up, they need somewhere to put their phone, to put their lipstick, and this is one convenient little pouch. It's got a long strap, which as you can see, so that you can be hands-free. It is really pretty. If you like bling, this is most definitely the bag for you. I love bling, can you tell? It has a beautiful magnetic clasp, as you can hear how that closed. But you need somewhere convenient to keep your lipstick, your phone, a card or some cash. Everyone needs a functional but beautiful, stylish purse when they're going to a function. This one is silver, goes with my dress, but being silver and being full of bling, it'll go with most outfits. Imagine this when you're wearing full black, which most people do wear black when they go out. Use it with the metal strap, or tuck the strap inside and use it as a clutch. It feels very smooth. Even though there's lots of little stones, it is smooth. You cannot even tell. It really does serve a great purpose. I think everyone needs a cute, stylish purse when they're going to that special occasion. This is perfect for prom, for Christmas, for birthdays, for New Year, any event, fancy dress-up event that you're going to. This is perfect for that, and it'll go with absolutely anything you wear.